Hello everybody, welcome to Heritage Ford in Corydon, Indiana. My name is David Heinold. I'm one of the product specialties here, and today we're going to talk about the 2023 Ford Edge, which has quite a few features that you might like. The Edge also has the automatic fuel. There is no more fuel cap. It's automatic. And one of the other things about the Edge is that all your high beams and your low beams, all your lights are LED, and your high beam also has a cutoff, so where if you're coming around a corner and you have your high beams on, or if you face another car, it will automatically shut off. This vehicle here, this is also an all-wheel drive. 4-door, so you've got full seating in the back and the front. Mileage is 23 city, 28 highway. Also has a 2.0 liter engine with an 8-speed transmission engine, which that gives you extra gas mileage. Okay, here I want to show you the inside where everything is right at your fingertips. Your door locks, your controls, everything. And one thing I do want to show is this is a keyless start. As long as your key is within the vehicle, you push the button, starts and stops. And it also has USB ports for A and C, which means you can do your Android and your iPhone. It does not have a shifter. You have the control knob right here, but let me show you something. So once you fire the vehicle up, this large screen comes on and it gives you all your information, everything you're going to need. Right here, you go to home. You can select on any of these items here: sound, radio, phone list, vehicle information, general information display, and it shows everything about your vehicle. So, and also your air conditioning is all controlled on this touch screen. You no longer have to use the buttons on the dash like you used to have to do, which is fantastic. So it's all right here on your touch screen, which makes it so much easier for you. And you've got full controls over the seating, up and down, back, forward. You've got your cargo compartment here. Now let's go around to the back side here. You have your power point down here, your air conditioning vents, and you also have in your back seat, cup holders. Here's your trunk space, plus you also have a camera, so you do have rear view camera. So when you're backing up, it shows exactly where you're backing up to, how close you get to a vehicle, and it will let you know when you're too close. Also in the back you have lighting, and you have another 12-point power point. Plus, one other thing, the back seats do fold down, so you do have a lot more cargo space than most vehicles. Let me put everything back where it was and we'll take it for a ride. This vehicle is very comfortable to drive. You've got the 2.0 liter boost engine with 8-speed transmission, which gives you very smooth. You won't even know when the transmission is shifting. That's how smooth it is. With the 2.0 liter, you have more power than you would ever need. And I'll be able to kick up the speed a little bit just to show you the acceleration that it has and how smooth it is, which I think you'd really enjoy. And once again, the mileage is really excellent. Like I said, 21 on highway. And once again, on the screen, like I said, it shows you everything. Miles to empty, how many miles you've driven. All that information is all on the touch screen. And one other really nice, this has the sync phone, where you can sync your telephone to it, so you can make all your phone calls from this vehicle. Plus it also has a 360 pilot, where it also shows vehicles in front of you or vehicles on the side of you, and it will alert you when something is next to you, so you know when to You either need to move, slow down, or do something. But it alerts you and lets you know. Acceleration is also, so you have no problems getting onto the interstate because you do have that power you need. It's there. No problem whatsoever. Plus, it's smooth as can be. It's just like a luxury car. This is one of the smoothest vehicles I've driven for this type of vehicle, for an SUV. So I think you really like that. So the Edge is one of the major SUVs that Ford has right now for the capacity for people. You got 4 full adults. You can sit in the back with no problem whatsoever with leg room. Plus you still have all the storage behind the seats. So if you're looking for, like I said, to move people around, if you have stuff to move, even if you're in sports, you put sports gear in the back, this will be your vehicle. I hope you enjoy the ride. I hope you enjoy everything that we talked about today. If you have any other questions, you can contact me. Like I said, my name is David Hinote here at Heritage Ford, and my phone number is 812-972-2679, and we can set up an appointment for you to come in and test drive one, see if it's something that you're really looking forward, to having, because it is a really multi-perfect vehicle.